In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Kraken V3 Pro to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Although the Razer Kraken V3 Pro model was not primarily designed to be used with mobile devices, you can still connect it to your phone. In this video, I'm going to give you the proper instructions on how to do so. First, like I said, because it wasn't primarily designed to be used with most mobile devices, you won't be able to use Bluetooth. The headphones do not feature Bluetooth capabilities, so as it stands today, the only way in which you will be able to connect them to your phone will be through a wired connection. Assuming that your phone lacks a 3.5mm audio jack connection, then you will have to use an adapter. So all that you have to do is plug in one end of the 3.5mm combo cable into the headset and another one into your phone through an adapter. If you are using an iPhone, you will primarily use a Lightning to 3.5mm audio adapter. And if you have an Android device, you might need USB-C to 3.5mm. Just purchase the corresponding adapter that you need. Once you have the adapter that fits your phone model, you will be able to plug the headset into the adapter and then finish it up by plugging the adapter into the corresponding port on your phone. As soon as this is done, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your mobile device through the Razer Kraken V3 Pro. Alternatively, if you don't like this process, the most convenient thing to do would be to purchase a Razer headset or another headset that has Bluetooth capabilities instead. That way, connecting it is extremely straightforward. You just enable Bluetooth, put the headset in pairing mode, and you will be able to find it there under the list of available devices. Because the Razer Kraken V3 Pro specifically does not feature Bluetooth, you will have to do this workaround with the adapter. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Kraken V3 Pro to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.